Hi guys, good morning. Biyahe na po tayo guys. Kumusta na pong lahat? Tayo guys, sa may Seymour. Mag-pick up na po tayo ng pasahero. Yan, Seymour. Seymour tayo. Pick up na po tayo ng pasahero guys. Hey guys, kumusta na pong lahat? Maybe let the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music and the soft slow. The way that I love you. Oh, sunrise, sunrise.